Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to test this website. They say you can earn money from surveys. I have been using it for about 2 weeks and now I have around $100 in my balance. Let me refresh the page to make sure that I really made it. I take my time to reach this amount. So let's see if they really pay. Before I go, let me show you how I reached that. Because many will ask me, so I use also referral to make this fast to reach. Okay, I am going to try the PayPal option with $100 option. Now they ask me for my PayPal email, so I will type that in. I am not sure if I can take only part of the money or all of it. I mean if they count fees or not, but I will just try. Okay, cash out success message. Alright, my balance went down, so I think the request is sent. They said it takes some few business days. I don't know how much these days, but I will wait and update you. Take time to like this video. It really takes me time to make it and see you. Alright guys, good news. I just received an email from PayPal in my phone that I received a payment. So I checked my PayPal and the payment is here. It actually took 2 days, maybe because they checked the request before they send me money. But it worked. I can say now that the site is real. Just subscribe to see me again. Let me know in the comments. I want to hear from you and it's really important for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you soon.